Jason here, Legendary Automotive and Truck Service. Today we want to talk to you a little bit about Jeeps. Obviously you see a CJ5 behind me. That doesn't limit us to what we do with Jeeps here locally. The word on the streets are, we are your go-to Jeep guys. Whether it be a TJ, a JK, XYZ, we do it when it comes to Jeeps. Today we actually have an 84 CJ5 in here that somebody put a probably 85, 86 tuned port injection Camaro Corvette motor in it. Had a little bit of issues running, wiring. So it wasn't running at its top performance. We did get the whole thing rewired, a new fuel in the system, we got it running amazing. Come to Legendary Automotive, check us out for any of your Jeep needs, whether it be custom lighting, lift kits, alignments, the dreaded death wobble that nobody can get rid of. That's what we do. So come check us out. Have a wonderful day.